Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, Chris, bakit parang ang dali-dali ng buhay mo? Feeling ko, masugat ka lang, iiyak ka. Masyado kang spoon-fed ng parents mo. Hindi mo alam yung hirap ng buhay, Chris. First of all, kung kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao and feeling mo mas nahirapan ka, mas katanggap-tanggap yung pain mo, at mas masakit yung pinagdaanan mo, then you have a victim mentality. I believe it's all about perspective and decisions in life. Decision mo kung ba't ka nandyan. Decision ko kung ba't ako nandito. Gusto mo ng pamilya, nag-anak ka, nag-asawa ka. And syempre, every decisions, meron ka akibat na responsibilities. So, nag-decide ka dyan na mag-anak at mag-asawa at akuin yung mga responsibilities sa parents mo. Then you should know the aftermath of that decision. For me naman, I decided to be carefree. I decided to do what I love and be free from everything. Pero syempre, may obligasyon din ako sa aftermath ng mga desisyon ko. Growing up, I was called black sheep, walang pangarap sa buhay, addict. And now naman na tumatanda ako, pasira na ang matres, hindi nag-aasawa kasi pangit yung ugali. I carry everything on my back in my everyday life. Lahat ng yan tanggap ko and wala na akong pake. As long as I can do whatever I love, my passion, my dreams. Yun ay kung tatanungin mo kung bakit ako ganito. Kasi kung ang usapan ng success ay pera, wala akong kwentang tao. I'm broke, but I'm happy though. Wala naman nagbibigay sa akin ng pera. Tumidiskarte lang talaga ako. But I'm very happy na I have the freedom and I can do my passion and I can do whatever I like. And that's our difference, Nagpa-pressure ka kasi na kailangan mong gawin yan, na kailangan mong gawin to, na dapat nandiyan ka, na dapat nandito ka. Which is good for you. Kung yun talaga yung gusto mo, and then it's good for you. Kasabihin, hindi ko kasi gusto yung gusto mo. I want a simple life where I can be myself. I'm authentic. Na tamad talaga ako, ayoko ng responsibilities. Ready naman ako nang tanggapin lahat ng gusto nyong itawag sa akin. As long as I can do my passion, which is content creation and gardening. As long as I can be myself, baby, I don't need anything else. It's all about perspective. Sa perspective ko naman, it's not about the money. Money is important, but it's not all about it. It's about the freedom. The freedom to do what you really love and the freedom to do your passion and to be you. That's success, baby. Ano ba yung perspective mo? Mas gumagana ba yung ego mo? Na dapat mas better ka sa ibang tao, na dapat mas mayaman ka? Well, that's your perspective. And my perspective is that I'm so happy whatever I have right now with gratitude. Ngayon, kung miserable ka sa buhay mo at pilit mong kino-compare kung bakit ako masaya at hindi ka, at pilit mong kino-compare but unfair yung mundo, there's something wrong with you. You should re-evaluate your choices in life. If you want my life, then choose the things that you love to do. Sinasabi mo lang yan, wala ka kasing pakialam sa pamilya mo. I don't care. Alam mo kasi, there's a saying that you cannot pour from an empty cup. If I don't have education in me, I cannot educate others. If I don't have love in me, I cannot love others. Madedrain ka lang, baby. Baby, as of now, I'm an empty cup. I cannot pour anything to anybody. Pero if love ang usapan, I can tell you, I love my family and friends. I really do. Kahit minsan nakakabwisit yung mga ugali nila at ang sakit-sakit na, I love them unconditionally. Okay. Alam mo, lahat ng tao, may masasabi at may masasabi sa'yo. Pero at the end of the day, pare-pareho lang naman kayong tatanda. Pare-pareho lang naman kayong mamamatay. You only have one chance in this life. Why don't you live it the way you want it to? Hindi mo kailangan maimbit sa iba kung nagagawa mo naman talaga yung gusto mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan sumunod sa gusto ng iba kung hindi mo naman talaga gusto. I'm selfish, I'm lazy, I'm irresponsible, according to them. Pero for me, I know within myself that I'm doing my best to live a beautiful life. So if you're asking bakit yung ibang tao ang gaan ng buhay nila, bakit ang unfair, then look at your choices, darling. I hope you are happy with your choice, baby. If you want to show your pain to others, it's okay, but don't ever say that yours is more valid. If you see me as happy, fresh, and carefree, then I chose to be here. Yung pagkakaiba natin is you are living for your dream, while I am living the dream, enjoying every second of it.